morning, guys. It's about 7 a.m. here. Just picked up this Chevy Tahoe from the car rental place. Perfect large SUV. I definitely need to get some coffee. Let's go. Let's get some coffee. Let's go on a road trip. Woo!
All right, good morning, 8 a.m. here. Two things I don't like in the morning. Waking up early because I'm a night shifter. And of course, packing for these little trips. So that's half the fun. Pete just picked up this car. I'm digging it. Bigger size SUV. I like it because we got more peeps with us. Does it pass the test though? We like to listen to music. So what we got here? Bose sound system. Oh, I like that. I'm loving the interior. It's gonna be a nice little ride. It's gonna be a comfortable ride because we got a lot of driving to do with this trip. San Francisco's far away. First stop is Santa Barbara. Whoop whoop.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have safely made it to Stearns Wharf over here. Check out some of these views. This is one side of the pier. And we're gonna scope out the other side of the pier right down there in just 1 minute. This is another view of Stearns Wharf. They have like a little seal museum, a little aquarium here to check out, but it's closed right now. But look at these views, guys. Beautiful. I love me some mountains, guys. Love me some mountains.
All right, so I'm making it quick. Santa Barbara pit stop, get an acai bowl. Pete,
I save money on parking.
yeah, we gotta save money on parking, so Pete's chilling right now. We're gonna make a quick run. Actually, I'm behind, and we're gonna go get these acai bowls. Nice little place. I wish we had time to stop by and hang out. It's a nice little town. But what's cool about making these long distance trips and stopping by every hour or two in different locations is you get to map out where you actually like going. And then you could go somewhere for a day or two, like Santa Barbara, this place. I would definitely come out here for a night or two and hang out. Always doing brand work. Let's go. We are carbon up, so the plan is to eat late at night. Therefore, we're gonna stack up in Santa Barbara and book it straight to Pismo. Got some acai bowls and pickles and Swiss here, guys. We're gonna get a pulled pork slaw. It's gonna taste delicious. Top it off with some avocado toasted.
There was a roller coaster here in Santa Barbara, so the boys went to give me some acai bowls. So right now we're gonna head out from Santa Barbara downtown and into Avila Beach.
Avila Beach. Looks beautiful. Got some skaters going on the road there. And we gotta find a little trail to go to Pirates Cove Beach. At the moment, I have no idea where it is. We're about to do some investigating. Party's over.
There we go.
The party's over. That's how it goes, you know, everything's too dangerous for us. Can't do shit, right?
Yeah, the kid's getting busted over here, dude.
Yeah, dude. God forbid he has a couple band-aids.
We got busted for more before.
Yeah,
Don't worry about it.
Good. Brings us memories. We have made it to our last stop. This is Montana State Park, and we are at the Bluff Trail. It's a little 2.38 mile hike, and this is where we're gonna chill and watch the sunset. This is it for today. After this, we're just gonna plan food, check into our Airbnb or hotel. I'm not sure what we have going on. And some of these places we're not even like planning ahead, we're planning the day of and just seeing where we're staying. So that's kind of the fun of the journey of traveling.
Montana De Oro actually means mountain of gold. And the reason being is usually these flowers over here, in the springtime, they turn to a golden yellow color. Just for the Bluff Trail for the sunset, amazing trail, about 2 miles. Now we're off north to Morro Bay to get some food, and then we're gonna head a little bit further. I believe it's north to Ragged Point, where we're actually gonna go to our Airbnb, spend the night, and then we'll update you guys in the morning on what we're doing next. Tomorrow is gonna be another long day, productive day, a little bit of driving, actually quite a bit of driving. Gonna see a few viewpoints and slowly make our way to San Francisco.
So we just made it to Morro Bay. We went to We Shack. They just closed, but I got this shroom burger right now. I want you guys to take a freaking look at this, how good this looks. Wow.
Judge John Wayne burger, dude.
This is good too.
Damn, it's fire, dude.
Yeah, it's actually cold as hell and I'm wearing shorts, so I'm ready to freaking eat this and get out of here and check in.
Fortunately, I have some pretty bad news. Thought I'd break it to you early. Went for this morning hike, like Matt was saying a little bit ago, see the sunrise. And unfortunately, we lost the drone. The drone is somewhere over there.